Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you facing the something went wrong error on your Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. For this, open the Play Store app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now, scroll down and click on the settings option. Now, click on network preferences. Now, tap on App Download Preferences and tap on Over any network and tap on OK. Now, go back to the home page. Now, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on the Apps option. Now, click on Google Play Store. Now, click on Storage and Cache. Now, click on Clear Storage and click on Delete. And after this, go back to the previous page. Now click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now tap on the toggle against background data and turn it on. Now go back to the home page and just restart your phone. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.